Welcome students in science class chapter 2 Teeth and Microbes. Whenever you take selfie in mobile, at the time you smile. Whenever you are in any function or whenever you want to take any photograph, at the time your photographer will say cheese, at the time also you are smiling. So clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful. Yes, students, today's topic is sets of teeth. What is the importance of teeth? They give proper shape to our face. Teeth help us to speak clearly. They enable us to bite and chew the food. In that process of digestion, the first step, your digestion process, your first step starts from your mouth. Teeth will bite and chew your food. They make your food soft, so digestion will become easier. So, our teeth are very important part of our body. There are two sets of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth and permanent teeth. First, temporary teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth. She cuts her first tooth when she is about 6 months old. By the time when she is 2.5 years old, at the time she has 20 teeth. 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. We have two jaws in our mouth, upper jaw and lower jaw. So 10 teeth will be there in upper jaw and 10 will be there in that lower jaw. They are called the milk teeth or the temporary teeth. At the age of 6 and 12, the milk teeth fall out one by one, and that new ones grow in their place. This new set, it is known as the permanent teeth. But before that, go through the figure of this temporary teeth, because for the first time you are seeing molars, canines and incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 molars in each jaw, means 4 molars in upper jaw, 4 molars in lower jaw, 2 canines, 1 and 2, 2 canines in each jaw, so total 4 canines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 incisors in each jaw, so total 8 incisors are there. Keep these numbers and try to remember in your mind. 4 molars in each jaw, so total 8. 2 canines in each jaw, so total 4. 4 incisors in each jaw, so total 8. Second set, that is the permanent teeth. This set consists of total 32 teeth. 16 in upper jaw, 16 in the lower jaw. They will remain permanent, so they are known as the permanent teeth, consisting of, again see this figure. In this permanent teeth you have molars, premolars, canines, incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 molars in each jaw, so total 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 premolars in each jaw, so total 8. 1 and 2 canines. 2 canines in upper jaw, 2 canines in lower jaw, so total 4 canines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 incisors in upper jaw, 4 incisors in lower jaw. So total 8 incisors. So 6 molars in upper jaw, total 12, 4 molars in each jaw, so total 8, consisting of both the jaws, 2 canines in each jaw, so total 4 canines, and 4 incisors in each jaw. Now students, whenever you get the time, draw this figure. Again I will show you of this temporary teeth and of this permanent teeth in any of your book, and try to remember this figure and try to remember these words also. So in that next video I will explain you the functions of molars, molars, canines and incisors. So it will become easier for you. Thank you students.